In the early 1990s, Lockheed Martin pitched the F-22 Raptor as a nuclear strike fighter. The company argued that the F-22's stealth, speed, and maneuverability would make it an ideal platform for delivering nuclear weapons. The Air Force was initially receptive to the idea of using the F-22 as a nuclear strike fighter. In 1993, the Air Force issued a request for proposals for a new nuclear-capable fighter. Lockheed Martin responded with a proposal for the F-22, which was selected as the winner in 1995. However, the Air Force's plans to use the F-22 as a nuclear strike fighter were eventually abandoned. In 1998, the Air Force announced that the F-22 would not be equipped with nuclear weapons. The Air Force cited a number of reasons for this decision, including the cost of developing and maintaining a nuclear-capable F-22 and the changing security environment. The decision to not equip the F-22 with nuclear weapons was controversial. Some critics argued that the Air Force was making a mistake by giving up on a valuable capability. Others argued that the decision was a sign of the declining importance of nuclear weapons in the post-Cold War era. The F-22 was designed to be a stealthy, high-performance fighter. The aircraft is equipped with a variety of advanced avionics and weapon systems, including the AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missile, the AIM-114 Hellfire air-to-ground missile, and the GBU-39 Small Diameter Bomb. The F-22 could have been equipped to carry nuclear weapons, such as the B-61 nuclear bomb. The B-61 is a versatile nuclear weapon that can be delivered by a variety of aircraft, including the F-22. The F-22's nuclear strike capability would have given the United States a significant advantage in a nuclear conflict. The aircraft's stealth would have made it difficult for enemy air defenses to detect, and its speed and maneuverability would have made it difficult to shoot down. It means that the United States has lost a valuable capability. The F-22 would have been a highly effective platform for delivering nuclear weapons, and its loss could make it more difficult for the United States to deter or respond to a nuclear attack. The decision could be seen as a sign of the declining importance of nuclear weapons in the post-Cold War era. The United States has a large stockpile of nuclear weapons, and the decision to not equip the F-22 with nuclear weapons suggests that the United States is less reliant on nuclear weapons for its national security.